Happy morning, my lovely students. How are you all? You are fantastic, right? Yes, you are fantastic. In previous video, we have seen that how two frogs have a strong determined and hope so that they were able to climb out of that milk jar. You remember? Yes, you remember. कैसे दो फ्रॉग्स में से एक फ्रॉग जो खूब हार चुका था, that frog died in that jar, but the remaining one frog had a strong willpower, strong determination that he will come out of the jar. Remember the story now? Yes, you remember it very well. So students, now in this video we will be starting the reading part of chapter 6, that is Frog and the Milk Jar. So are my students ready with the textbook? On textbook page number 19. Go and bring the textbook fast. Let's start it. So students, let's start the reading part. Our chapter 6 is Frog and the Milk Jar. In this chapter we will learn what is determination. Determination means हमारा एक जुनून, एक हौसला उस चीज को पूरा करने के लिए. If you are determined, then nothing is impossible. अगर हम एक चीज को तय कर लेते हैं कि हमें ये चीज करनी ही है, कितनी भी मुश्किल क्यों ना है, हम वो चीज करेंगे. जैसे कि you started the learning cycle. ना at the starting you fall, आप अगेन उठते थे, गिरते थे, वापस उठते थे, आपने at that cycle सीखी. So let's start. What is the meaning of determination? एक जुनून, एक जज्बा कि हमें ये चीज करनी है, हमारे decisions, हमें उस decisions पर खड़ा रहना है. Who help us gain self determination and willpower at home? हमें हमारा विल पावर और सेल्फ डिटर्मिनेशन इंक्रीज करने के लिए घर पे कौन मदद करता है? Yes, parents. Parents, your siblings, your grandparents help you a lot in that. Does self determination helps us in all work areas? Yes. अगर हम कोई चीज डिसाइड कर लेते हैं कि हमें ये करनी है, वो कोई भी एरिया क्यों ना हो, we are able to do that. So now we will be starting with the reading part. Let's start it. One day, two frogs were playing. Suddenly, they fell into a jar of milk. They tried to come out of the jar, but failed. It was because there was no solid support under their feet. One day, two frogs were playing and suddenly they fall into a milk jar. They tried a lot to come out, but they were not able to because there was no solid support. Now let's read the second paragraph. On page number 19. After trying for a little while, one of the frogs completely lost all hope. एक frog उम्मीद ही छोड़ चुका था that how he could be come out from that jar, and said, "We will not be able to escape from this." Escape मतलब बाहर आना. I repeat the last statement. We will not be able to escape from this. हम इस चीज से बाहर नहीं आ पाएंगे. Jar has there is no solid support under the feet. There is no use trying so hard. The frog ने बोला, यहाँ पे कोशिश करने का भी कोई मतलब नहीं है. क्यों? क्योंकि कोई भी सॉलिड जार नीचे नहीं है. He gave up trying and went down to the bottom of the jar and died. जो one frog था ना जिसने सारी उम्मीद छोड़ दी थी. That frog went under the jar and died. Yes, but the other frog thought, let me go on swimming. Maybe something will happen. The other frog said, let me go for swimming. मैं swim करता हूँ. Might something happen? As he swam round, the milk started churning. As he swam round, the milk started churning, means converting. His movement soon churned the milk into butter. वो swim करते करते that milk was now converted into butter. The frog climbed on the butter and escaped. The frog climbed on the butter and escaped. He was able to come out. Thus, his life was saved. इस तरीके से उसकी लाइफ भी बच गई. So now we will be starting with our page number 20. So students, let's start to sing along. You will also be singing with me. Let's start with the poem Me Today. Today I will have a courage to do something new. I will have a courage to do something new. I will be kind to another and to myself I will be true. मैं दूसरों से kind रहूँगा and मैं अपने आप को सच बोलूँगा. Today I will acknowledge that I am my own best friend. Today I will acknowledge, that means ये मैं ध्यान रखूँगा कि मैं मेरा ही बेस्ट फ्रेंड हूँ. मुझे अंदर से एनर्जी मिलेगी, मुझे स्ट्रेंथ मिलेगी हर एक चीज को करने के लिए. I will make myself a priority. Positive thoughts I will send. Today I will remember the gift that are mine. मैं मेरे माइंड को पॉजिटिव थॉट्स दूंगा कि मैं हर एक चीज कर सकता हूँ. I can do anything. Nothing can stop me to achieve my goals. Okay, students? The gift that are mine, जो गिफ्ट मेरी है. I will live the day with confidence. मैं मेरा दिन कॉन्फिडेंस में रखूंगा और मैं पूरा दिन मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस में स्पेंड करूंगा. And let my light shine. And let my light shine. I should shine like the sun to help others, to be kind and true to myself. So what I learned from this chapter? Let's read it. I will not lose hope if any difficulty arises in my way. I will not lose hope. I will work hard with all the determinations to achieve my goals. Okay? I will remember that self-determination and strong willpower are the keys of success. अगर मुझे किसी चीज को जीतना है तो सेल्फ डिटर्मिनेशन एंड विल पावर, मुझे कुछ करने का जज्बात, वो जुनून होना चाहिए. सो देन ओनली आई एम एबल टू डू दैट. सो नाउ इट इज क्वेश्चन आंसर्स टाइम. Did both the frogs give up? No, only one frog gave up. What happened to the first frog? When the first frog lost his hope, he died in the milk jar. How did the second frog save its life? By turning the milk and with a strong determination power. Was it determination that helped the second frog to save his life? Yes, it was determination. So now students, here is your part. That means assessment time. Now you will be reading the question and you will be placing right or wrong to the respective questions. In my last class test, my grades were not good. achieving my goals? Yes. If you are determined, then no one can stop you to achieve your goals. I will become a good professional, and for this I am fully determined. I have to be full professional, so I am fully determined. So students, now your homework will be my commitments. Now you will be writing कि आप अपने आप से क्या promise करोगे चैप्टर को सीखने के बाद. Okay students, so students, this will be your homework. And this assessment time will play a role of worksheet. Okay my lovely students. So students, here we complete our chapter 6. Okay. And don't worry, I will be providing you the notes. Okay. So till that, keep